Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a spread with these fabric washi tapes from Amity Bloom. I'm sure most of you that are roaming around YouTube in the journaling world know Amity Bloom or know Naji from Amity Bloom. So I ordered these from her shop and I was so happy to receive them a few days ago, and they're so beautiful, and I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I ordered them with my own money, and so I just wanted to give them a try and try to do a spread in Amity Bloom style. So I'm using this image of a flower. Actually, it might be a rosemary. I don't know. It's a image I received from Angelica. I will leave her channel below. She makes the most incredible junk journals, so you can go check her out. And so I'm just cutting it to size so that it will fit on my page. And as you can see, I'm really struggling with this paper trimmer a lot, but I'm trying to make it work because I'm too lazy to get my bigger one out, so I just keep struggling with it. And so then finally I was able to cut it to the right size, and now I'm just gluing it down. And then on the other side, I also use some paper, some music paper that I also got from Angelica in the Happy Mail. Actually, the video to that I will link down below as well. And since the page is too short, I decide to add some vintage lined paper to it, and I'm just marking where I have to cut it. I just kind of wanted to cover both pages. I'm just gluing both of those down. And then I go through the little strips and pieces to see what colors I want to use that will match with the flower on the right side. So I choose some different pinks and reds and mint colors. So first I decide to just put this strip of mint down, because that balances the green nicely on the other side. And then I wanted something pink, so I just decided to cut a piece. I think I cut it. Yeah, so I cut it off with my pinking shears, and I just put a little piece down there. And then I somehow wanted to add the yellow, but I wasn't sure how to do that, so I didn't do it at the moment. And I wanted some flip outs, so I take some designer paper, and I have this lovely pink and white checkered one that I think fits with the page very well. So I decided to make a pretty big tag with it that I can then just attach with one of those fabric washi strips, and have a flip out. I'm just totally winging where I have to cut on the tag, and of course it's not balanced, so I have to go back 2 more times to kind of make them fit, because I hate measuring and I just kind of try to make it work. So then that will cover most of the page. And then since I want to write on the back, I decide to add some more of that lined vintage paper and cut that to size. So I just glue that down. So next I want to add a hole on the top to make it a true tag, and I find this adorable butterfly ribbon. It's like a cotton ribbon, and I just think it fits the page perfectly. So I just add that to the top of the tag. And I'm just so loving these all these pastel colors. I've been in such a mood for pastel at the moment, and I love how Nazi does all her pastels and how she puts her pages together and her journals. It's just incredible. Yeah, so then I just attach that, and I do want to add a fabric tag as she usually does, and I finally find a way to use that yellow. So I just tape that down, and these fabric washi tapes, they stick really well, so I'm really happy with that. And then I take out this quirky alphabet stamp set, which I got locally here. I don't know if you would be able to find it somewhere on the internet, but I really love the quirkiness of the letters, and I use my StazOn ink, and I just stamp today's date, which is September 1st. And true to the beginning of autumn, it is pouring down rain here in Vienna all day, and I think it's gonna rain the next 4 or 5 days, so yeah, not so much fun. And I always kind of wipe down the edges of the stamps because I don't like seeing the edge when I stamp. And then this business card of Nazi came with the order, and so I decided to add that as well as another flip out, and I just try to decide on the best place to do that. So I've been following her for quite a while, and I'm obsessed with her style, and I would love to buy a journal from her, but every time she has journals in her Etsy store, they're sold out, I think, within minutes, so I never managed. But these fabric tags she actually is planning to have in stock all the time, and I was so surprised that I actually was able to order one when I went on her site. So hopefully, if you really want these, you will be able to still get some as well, and if they're not in stock now, I'm sure she'll have some more again really soon. So I will link her shop below. I don't know if I said that already. And here I'm just very quickly journaling about copying someone's style, but you still have to kind of make it your own, which I hope I've done with this. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.